Now see, there is no tables here. Okay, so I'm going to create here. Create table, table name in brackets, column 1 data type, column 2 data type, column 3 data type, column 4, column 5. So I'm selecting this. I'm selecting this table and executing here. Click execute, or you can click in keyboard F5. So it shows like command completed successfully. So I can go here and click and refresh and go to tables. See, the table is exists here, right? And expand this and expand the columns. See, employee ID, address, salary, date of birth, created date. So it is created, right?
Yes.
So this is one way you need to see like whether the table is exist or not. And second way is select star from table name, employee. Select star from table name. When you run this one, it shows. See, employee ID, address, salary, date of birth, created date. There are two ways. One way is go to our database, expand tables and see the table name and expand the columns. So table is already exist and columns also exist here, right? The table is created. So yeah, so you guys will understand like how to create a table, what is the column name and what is the data type, what is the use of the data type. You will understand why, how we are creating. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 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 sir.
So this is simple. Here there is no confusion, right? Simply create table, table name in brackets, like open bracket and close bracket. So I need the data like this way, like I need to, I need these columns, employee ID, address, salary, date of birth and created date. So, so like employee ID is in numeric format. So that is the purpose I use integer data type. So data will save on, will accept only numeric values here. And I have address column. Address column or else name you can take it as. So this is alphanumeric. For that purpose, I go for varchar. This is the size I'm going to given. And salary is there. Salary is in decimal format. We don't want to save the salary information integer. Why? Because we don't want to save like this. We need like this paisa as well. So that is the reason we use decimal. This is precision and this is scale. And next one is date of birth. Definitely date of birth is saved in date format only. So we have date data type. And last one, created date. Created date, I need the the data should be in like a date time format. So that is the reason I use date time data type. So I have created, it is already created. Okay. Now here the table is there. Table structure is like this. Now I need to add the one more column called phone number. Without this table means simply I can write like this, phone number integer. But the thing is already table is created, but still I need to add that column. So in that time I use alter keyword. In DDL we have these commands, right? Create, alter, truncate, rename and drop. So now we discussed create. Now I'm going to explain the topic called alter. How we can use alter command. So my scenario is I need to add one more column called phone number. So already table is exist. So I will use this alter command. Alter table. My table name is like, first I will tell the syntax. Alter table, table name, add column name, data type. So this is the syntax to add any new column for existing table. Okay. So by using this syntax, I'm going to add the new column. So alter table, table name, add my column name is phone number and my data type is int. Is it fine? phone number will save in int format or varchar? In which format it will save?
integer format.
Int.
So int. So my phone number is like this 040 hyphen like this. So in I mentioned like this hyphen as well. So I have one friend is there, he's in US, so his phone number is like this. And one guy is there, he given the mobile number like this. So integer will accept these values. Plus will not accept, right? This hyphen also will not
Sir, what the
accept, right?
plus?
Sorry?
Will not be accepted.
Yes. That is the reason we go for varchar. Okay? Why you are not using integer means there might be a chance. There might be a chance they will enter. Maybe they don't know, right? Whether this column will accept only integer or not. But make sure we can give the service like +91. So whenever you give this varchar, it will allow all these values. Even if you enter like 000 minus, also it will accept. Okay. Now alter table name. I'm going to add the new column. So add by using the add keyword. Alter means manipulating the data, like manipulating thing, like redefining the structure. So for create means just creating the table, but by using alter keyword, we can add the new column. So alter table name, add new column name and his this data type. So alter table name, add column name and data type. So I'm running this one. So command completed successfully. How can I verify whether the phone number column is added or not? Tell me. Just now I executed this one. Alter table name, add phone number and this data type. I executed, it shows like command completed successfully. I need to show, like I need to see whether this phone number column is added in the employee table or not. Just now I explained that two ways is there. One is go here and refresh database and go to tables. See employee table, expand here and go to employees. See, it is added, right? Say yes or no.
Yes.
So it is added. What is the second way? This one. Select star from employee. Star means all columns. Whatever the columns exist in this table, it show all the column names. Select star from table. So executed. See, earlier it shows up to created date. Now it shows like phone number as well, right? Okay. This is the alter keyword. In alter, now I don't want address column in this table. Now what I need to do? Initially, I created one table called employee table. Later, I realized I need to add the phone number. So by using the alter statement, I add the phone number. Now my requirement is by seeing this table, I don't want this address column. In that time, what we'll do? So by using alter only, alter table, I'm writing the syntax, this one, drop column. By using this syntax, we can drop the existing column. Let's try with that. Alter table, employee, drop column ADDRR. So just I'm running. See here, already ADDR is there, but I'm dropping this column only. In this table, this column I'm dropping. Alter table name. In this table, I drop column. What is the column name? ADDR. So I selected and executed. Command completed successfully. So when I run this one, see, edit has gone, right? Correct? When you refresh here, see, it is deleted. The column is dropped here, correct? New column addition, existing column drop. And second one, now I realized like my data is like this. Uh, I need to change the data birth column date data type to varchar. In one scenario, I don't want like a date data type. I need varchar data type. Already table is exist. In that time, I created the column date of birth with date data type. But I need to change the data type from date to varchar. My requirement is I need to change the date to varchar, like varchar 100. So how I am going to do? So again, I will use the change data type, alter table name, alter column name, data type. This is the syntax. So my requirement is alter table employee, alter column date of birth. So what is the existing data type for date of birth? Hmm? What is the existing data type for date of birth?
Date.
So I'm going to change that to varchar of 100. So see here, when I refresh here, expand this column, it shows like date data type, right? As of now, it shows like date data type. So I'm going to execute this statement. Executed, what happened? Alter table name,
Add, sir. After table name.
add కాదు, does not exist in employee entity. Name తప్పు రాసానా? date of birth. Correct. Spelling mistake. Alter table name, alter column, my column name. So I change it to varchar data type. Now it shows. So when I run like select star from employee, we didn't identify whether it is a date data type or varchar. So definitely we can go here and refresh and expand the columns. See, it is changed, right? Earlier it was date. Now it shows like varchar. So data type is changed now. Correct? Agree? Okay then. So we explain like create by using create keyword. We will create only table like this. Create table. This is standard syntax for the table creation. So by using this create keyword, we can create like this. By using alter statement, alter keyword, we will do these three steps. One is new column addition. Second one is existing column drop. Third one is change the data type. By using alter keyword, we can use these three. And what about third one? We completed, create is done, alter is done. And third one is rename. I need to change the names. Let's go here. So My column name is salary, SALARY, salary. I need to change the salary to SAL. My requirement is current name is salary, but I need to change it to SAL. Column names I'm talking about. Okay. So how we need to do that? By using rename keyword. For that rename, already SQL Server has created the keyword called sp underscore rename. This is the existing stored procedure it is actually. So by using this rename function, I mean procedure, we can change. Here, what is my existing column name? Salary, right? SALARY, salary. I need to change to SAL, right? Salary to sal, I need to change. But for example, in this database, we have multiple tables: employee, employee 1, employee 2, employee 3 is there. Each table has the same column name called salary. When you execute this, the statement has confused in which table I need to change. So for that is the reason we can mention the table name here. In employee table, salary column, you need to change to sal. This is the input and this is the output. Okay, this is, we call it as a parameters actually. So this is the input I'm giving. This is going to change one. Okay, this is table name. In employee table, salary column, change it to salary, sal. This is the procedure I'm going to use for that purpose. exec, this is the predefined procedure. Already SQL Server has created this procedure. We are using this procedure and changing the names. Okay, I'm running this. See, it shows like completed. Changing any part of object name could break scripts and stored procedures. Okay, let's see whether it is changed or not. Select star from employee. 1 second, my charging gone. Hello? Is it audible now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am executing this. See, it is changed to SAL, right? It shows SAL, right? Changed already. I have renamed it to salary to SAL. Earlier it was salary. See, earlier it was salary. Now change it to sal. But again, it's showing salary here. Why? Because we are not refreshed here. So once I refresh and click on tables, click on this one, click on columns. See, you change it to sal. Okay. So you can practice. I can send the scripts to you. You can practice these things. And tomorrow I can share, any one of you share the screen. And when I say any table name and columns, you guys will create and execute. Okay. So DDL. Download SQL Server. So I can give the task now. First create orders table. Order ID, order name, quantity, created date, price. So we can create like this. Second, okay, like this you can create. Okay, today I install Max. You can install all the SSMS things and practice this one. This is the first class now. When I explain more also, you should be confused. So today you guys will install the SSMS and practice this, like create the table and alter the columns. Okay. Then tomorrow onwards we'll press the start again. Any questions?
Yes, sir. Timing will be the same for tomorrow as well.
Yeah, 9 tomorrow daily 9 to 10.
Okay. And from where I can access this recorded class if I
I
want to
can
watch
share
it
it.
again?
Like just now, still it is recording, right?
Okay. 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 Okay.